Hi, I'm Shane with Quick Attach. Today I'd like to go over the features and benefits of our 42-inch excavator mower. We offer this mower in two different flow ranges, 15 to 21 gallons per minute and 22 to 28 gallons per minute to best match your excavator. The three-blade design is made and designed to match the horsepower and the needs of the excavators. A lot of excavators are lower horsepower, they have lower pressures and flow rates than a lot of skid steer loaders. We've sized this motor and the blade carrier to match those horsepower ranges. We've incorporated a radial piston design, which is a step up from your general roller type motor. This motor can withstand pressures up to 6,000 psi and speeds up to 3,000 RPM. The motor is paired with a high strength bearing carrier, which incorporates a forged shaft for strength, and it's also heat treated for long life. The blades we're using on this mower are 5/8 inch thick, which is thicker than a standard 1/2 inch blade. They're going to stand up to more abuse. The reason we have them double beveled is so that you can operate this in either rotation. Depending on where you're working, you may want to blow the chips either to the right or to the left. We're also using high strength forged bolts. These are real bolts that are designed and tested to be used on brush mowers. So the standard mower that we offer does not have any sides on it. That gives you maximum accessibility to trees and brush. But we also offer optional chain guards, which are shown here. These will help knock down debris that might fly out the sides, give you a little bit more safety back in the cab area. We have a second option, which is push bars, and they bolt onto the same position. That's the option that you're going to want to use if you're doing more tree cutting. You can actually put some pressure on the tree before you cut it off to make it fall the right direction. We've designed this mower deck to be modular. We have a variety of mounts that we can bolt on to match your excavator. This mower deck is designed from the ground up to be strong and to give you maximum reliability out in the woods. Excavator mower like this is perfect for applications where you can't normally get into the area with a skid steer loader. These might be right-of-ways, pipeline, power line, also ditches and waterways where you would normally get stuck with a skid steer loader. Now we're going to tip this mower up and take a look at the bottom side. The bottom side here, you can see the three blades with the beveled edge, the forged blade bolt, the heavy-duty 3/4 inch thick blade carrier, and also we have 6 carbide teeth. The carbide teeth are really good at grinding tree trunks and also for stirring material. One more feature I'd like to point out on the bottom is that we're using a flanged shaft in our bearing carrier. Hold the blade carrier onto that. It's a much stronger joint to use the bolted flange style than rather to use a splined hub style. On the back, see that the metal skirt extends down. You can use this as an edge to pick up material. Also acts as a strong shield between the mulching area and the operator. On the front edge of the deck, you'll notice that we have strong ribs here supporting this skid. The skid not only helps keep you from digging into the ground too far with your blades, but it can also be used as an edge also to pull material back towards you. If your job site calls for an excavator mower that can handle extreme conditions and difficult terrain, give us a call or check out quickattach.com.